I'm always on the look for new items for my lunchtime. Especially, it's hard to find sometimes things that will go well with all the soups and everything, especially. So I got sent this product. I am excited to try. This is in pink. This is how it comes right out of the box. Very protected, very well, and the plastic is actually very good quality. It feels very, very great. It's thick and it doesn't look cheap or feels cheap whatsoever, which is very important, especially when you are gonna reutilize these items for lunch and you want something that is good to seal because of the soups and everything. This one, look at this. It is actually glass. So it comes with this protector that it's plastic protector, and it looks very nice. What I love about the glass ones is that they're so much easier to clean and they look newer and good quality for so much longer than the plastic ones. The plastic ones will most likely get thrown away very quickly, but these ones have a larger life. So as you can see, it's very big. So you can fit a lot. You can fit here soups or any other things. And it will secure it like this really well. So I am excited to take it to work. So this is how it looks. And even though it sounds like it's plastic, it's not. It's actually glass. So it's fantastic. I am so impressed with it, honestly. Really good quality.